Meow, meow, look around. Toys are scattered on the ground. Coco says, oh my, oh me, who can clean this mess with me? Tiny paws, step by step. Little steps clean big messes yet. Blocks are here and bears are there. Toy cars hiding under chairs. Coco spins and bumps a drum. Grandma, where did all this come from? Grandma Whiskers smiles so bright. We can make it clean tonight. One small toy, then two, then three. Come and clean along with me. Can we pick one? Yes, we can! Can we pick two? Yes, we can! Tiny paws go tap, tap, tap. Clean a little, clap, clap, clap. Little paws pick it up. Put the toy inside the tub. Meow, meow, one by one. Cleanup time can still be fun. Little steps, here we go. Big mess, get small and slow. Purr, purr, try your best. Little steps clean big messes. Coco finds a yellow ball, then a sock beside the wall. Blocks go back into the bin. Coco gives a kitten grin. Grandma says, you're doing great. Slow and steady, never late. Coco says, I understand. Small steps help my helping hand. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you sort it? Yes, I can. Red blocks here, blue blocks there. Teddy goes back in the chair. Meow, meow. Now I see cleaning can be fun for me. Purr, purr, almost done. Look, we made a cleanup song. Little paws pick it up. Put the toy inside the tub. Meow, meow, one by one. Cleanup time can still be fun. Little steps, here we go. Big mess, get small and slow. Purr, purr, try your best. Little steps clean big messes. Little paws pick it up. Put the toy inside the tub. Meow, meow, one by one. Cleanup time can still be fun. Coco smiles, the room is neat. Tiny paws and happy feet. Grandma Whiskers hugs her tight. Little steps made everything right. Meow, meow, clean and bright. Purr, purr, good night.
Oh, what a mess! Toys everywhere!
Time to clean up, I declare. I'll pick up the blocks one by one. Now the cars and socks and drums are fun. That's my good little helper. All tidy now, I'm so proud.
Dear.